Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We're going to keep an eye on our network of sky cams across the area. The Devil's Lake Basin will be the first to see the snowfall, and many of us are warm enough now, including in Fargo and in Grand Forks, for rain showers. First alert weather day into Wednesday. As we take a look at the latest, here's the hour-by-hour forecast by the 6 o'clock hour tonight. Notice the bottom of the screen. I've got some thunderstorm icons. No, not expecting severe weather in our area, but we may indeed, with this line of convective showers making their way northward, hear rumbles of thunder with this as we go through the 6 to 8 o'clock time frame. This is going to move from south to north. Air temperatures down south well into the 40s means what falls from the sky will hit the ground as rain. But what happens up at cloud level, where the air is typically colder, it starts out as snowflakes. So that's where the trick in tonight's forecast lies, is finding out that line where we're going to see rain, where we're going to see sleet and snow. The evening forecast will have temperatures cold enough for some flakes to make their way down to the ground in the international border counties. That's it. But that means our impact on driving tonight, not too bad. But it starts transitioning. Now here comes, as we go through the 8 o'clock hour, the heavier batch of rain pushing into Hankinson, pushing into Grant County. You may hear some rumbles of thunder, and then the upper air temperatures start to fall. And when that happens, we'll see more sleet and snowflakes in the upper levels of the atmosphere falling down to the ground. So we may end up with a batch of moderate to heavy sleet with thunder, called thunder sleet or thunder snow. So our southern counties have the best chance at that, while the snow band up north does continue, and it will start sliding southward. Now, as we go through the evening, all areas are at or above freezing. That means slushy roads. I don't think we'll have too much of a travel impact this evening, except down here. Then as we get into the late night hours, after 10, look at this, starts transitioning to all snow, and it becomes more of a Southern Valley event as this starts to dry up a little bit. As we go into the overnight hours, look at this band setting up. You can draw a line from Jamestown through Valley City, Grand Forks, all the way up to Roseau. And here's the heavier snow in the dark blue that lasts for the better part of the overnight hours. Our western counties, including here in the valley, will have green arrows, meaning north winds at about 30 miles per hour, a few gusts higher than that. So the accumulation will be in this band, and that morning commute could be tricky, especially where it's windy. And the roads could be anywhere from icy to slushy because temperatures will be near freezing, or downright snowy and slippery. As we head into the midday hour, the snow starts to end from northwest to southeast, but the wind starts spreading off to the east. That means midday conditions will be worse for travel in southeast North Dakota and Lakes Country, where the snow continues. As we go into the afternoon, by around 2 to 4 o'clock, it wraps out of here, but the wind sticks around. Temperatures fall in the evening to below freezing, so wet roads will indeed become pretty slippery. Another look. Isolated 6-inch totals or higher in the Lakes Country area. That means you, Park Rapids, and out in the Sisseton Hills into Richland County, we could see some elevated totals. Otherwise, in this area, 1 to 3 inches. Where you see the light blue, an inch or less. Some of you may see up to 2 inches, though, in that Grand Forks area with the snow in that region. So the timeline tonight: rain, sleet, snow, thunder. After 10, transitions to all snow. Wind picks up overnight. Poor visibility and some slick travel through your day tomorrow. Right now, the radar is lit up to the north. As we take a look down south, not much happening yet. Rain out in Bismarck is badly needed, very badly needed. Here's a look at your heavier bands of snow. So from Towner County down into northern parts of Benson and Ramsey counties, we could start to see that transition first here in the evening. Wind isn't too strong yet. We do have a few gusts over 20 miles per hour as we have temperatures in the 40s for most of our area. As the storm system is now exiting the Rockies in the Central Plains, we have a better grasp on what we expect it to do. So that's your forecast. The Lake Ida shot here by Rick Julian shows what we may see as we go into this weekend. So it does get better after our weather right now. First alert weather day tomorrow. Rough and tumble for the majority of the day. And there could be some impacts to your activities as well in the morning. Check with the Valley Today or the Valley News Live weather app. Temperatures don't rebound on Thursday, but Friday they sure do. And this weekend, as I mentioned, looks beautiful, 45 to 50 degrees. That's into Tuesday. Late Tuesday, we start seeing another system that could impact our area. We'll keep you posted on that. Let's get through this hiccup first.
You're right. We're staying pretty good after this.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
some more 50s. All right. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.